today is Monday. Let's go, samahan nyo ulit ako sa buong maghapon. So let's go to our first client. Ang schedule namin is 6:30. Simulan natin ng positibo yung araw natin ngayong Monday. And galaw-galaw na mga boss. Let's work. Kaya, ano na? Okay guys, tapos na tayo sa first client natin. Nandito na tayo sa tapat ng gym. Prado pa right now. Kain na tayo ng pre-workout. Pre-workout ko is 2 saging. Saging Pro Max. Alright, tapos na tayo magturo. Workout na tayo, upper body day. So let's go. Okay, tapos na tayo mag-workout. So, papakita ko yung physique ko. 1 week of cutting. So, week 1 ng cutting. Yun, tapos na tayo mag-workout ng upper body. Then, we're going home na para makain na natin yung post-workout meal. So, let's go. Okay, post-workout meal.